or natural gas 2-hole Chinese wok. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 47 inches in length. Depth, 39 inches. Overall height with legs, we have 60 inches tall. 2 wok burners, with the left wok measuring 13 inches and the right 16 inches. Jet burners for each, and the bottom of each burner will be waste trays. The waste tray for the left burner beneath will measure 13.5 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Measurements for the waste tray to the right, we have 16.5 inches in length by 31.5 inches in depth. Left and right are knee level lever or valves for operation, with the left valve to the far left for gas. Coming to the center will be the faucet, the swivel head measuring 14 inches, along with the 2 bars on the top. Coming to the front will be an area for the waste to be accumulated and dumped towards the bottom. And with the waste, it will be collected here onto a basket. Coming to the front will be the NSF certification, along with the gas information for this Chinese wok. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.